Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My respectful greeting to the Mr. and Mrs. of Telkom University, lecturer, and all of audience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arafatur Rahmi. I'm from D3 Marketing Management 4 1 and 2. Now, I will presentation my final project with the title Customer Satisfaction Analysis based on Servqual Dimension Use API Method. Importance of Performance Analysis. Case study at PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti in Bandung 2020. Next, company profile. Number 1, history. In the years 2014, PT Medion Pharmajaya established a strategy business unit, namely PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti, to market and distribute its product in the domestic market. To that, network marketing has reached major city and livestock center in various regions throughout Indonesia. Number 2, location. PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti is located at Babakan Ciparai Street number 128, Bandung. PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti operate in 16 marketing officer location in the main and center city of from throughout Indonesia. Why did I choose to research at PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti? Because I intern at PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti, which facilitated me to retrieve information, and PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti is a famous veterinary drug company and the service provider and need to be researched. The next, background research. The development of livestock in the industry in Indonesia is still dominated by poultry industry sector. It can be reviewed from the Indonesia Veterinary Drug Data Issue 2018, where 100% of local market farms are based on the 60.2% species controlled by the poultry industry. Development in the poultry industry are in line with interesting veterinary business. This can be provided by the interesting number of poultry population in Indonesia, so that growing company act in local and non-local veterinary business. To serve the most common range, the company currently has 60 marketing units spread throughout Indonesia. One of the tools that is to monitor and activate of each business unit is the Satisfaction Index of Personnel, AKPP. Measurement is done longitudinal, meaning it is done periodical by the line lot of PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti to product and service provider by the company. But the assessment does not cover the whole of the body provider by PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti. Based on internal company data, it is known that PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti Bandung experience a decrease in quality of service index at the last periodic. Formulation of problem. Number 1. How is the customer performance for Servqual at PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti? Number 2. How is the customer interest in the Servqual of PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti? Number 3. How is the level of customer satisfaction and what aspect need to be improved to improve the customer satisfaction of the Servqual given by PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti? Next, literature review. Using a Servqual variable was indicator is the tangible, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy. According to Parasuraman et al. In Windasari and Susanti 2017. To view customer satisfaction with customer performance and perception using the important performance analysis method. And then population. The location of the study is the company PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti, Bandung. The community in the study in the customer of PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti. Sample calculator or sample using the Slovene method with the number of population 3.898 who become customer of PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti. Characteristic of respondent: gender, age, less education, customer category, long subscription. Research method: measure scale, Likert scale 1 to 4, validitas test, reliability test, sampling technique, non-probability sampling, descriptive analysis, gap analysis, important performance analysis. Research result: validity test. Of all statement items that have been tested, both level of expectation and performance level on the Servqual demands of the slot valid because item exceed R table. Next, reliability test. The results of the reliability test are reliable, as they meet the reliability of requirement with the Cornba alpha value of 0.930 for performance on the Servqual dimension 0.887 for expectation on the Servqual. Next, descriptive analysis. Continuous value of Servqual performance are ready in very appropriate category, and continuous value of Servqual expectation already in the category is very appropriate. Gap analysis. A good level of satisfaction is marked by a positive result or KE grade from 0. This means the performance satisfaction value has fulfilled the ADAU's expected certification. Can be seen that all statements are of negative value, which means that all statements have gaps. So, the certification of the current service is still under the customer expectation of PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti, Bandung. Important performance analysis. Average performance score and customer satisfaction expectation. This Cartesius diagram divides each service attribute Servqual into 4 types of quadrant. Quadrant A, top priority. Quadrant B, endorsed. Quadrant C, low priority, and Quadrant D, exercise. Based on the result of his research into 100 respondents, PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti, customer on analysis of customer satisfaction based on Servqual dimension using the essential performance analysis method. Overall, descriptive analysis of performance in excellent category which 92.32%. The descriptive analysis of overall expectation in the percent of 97.84% and in excellent category. Average expectation value 3.91, while customer perceived performance with the result of the average value of 3.69. It can be concluded the customer does not be satisfied because the average value of expectation is greater in average value of performance, and there are 4 quadrants on the Cartesius diagram. Suggestion. Author used the important method to performance analysis. This method is used by the author to see the attribute and attributes that have been good that still need to be repaired by PT Medion Ardhika Bhakti, Bandung. According to Cartesius diagram, there are 4 quadrants and each score the different criteria. There are still attributes that require important service quality with top priority are value facilitators sort the customer service application as a fast delivery service support process and the quality of others self-service so that result to helpful the making future policy. That's my final project presentation. Sorry for my mistake. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.